she keep calling every single night. Yeah, and I don't mind, 'cause I'm cute to vibe. Oh, swear to God, I'm in my mind.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're doing something pretty cool. We're going to be installing a front splitter. So I'm super excited about that. Stay tuned and continue watching if you're interested. Also, if you are new to my channel, I do have a 2016 Hyundai Veloster non-turbo that I just picked some wheels up, just got some tires, did a muffler resonator delete on it, and is currently on air suspension, which I did myself with the help of a friend. So this is just the beginning. I've had the car maybe for about 3 or 4 months now, and so far we've made pretty good progress. So stay tuned, subscribe if you want to see any more, and be sure to follow me on Instagram because Instagram sees everything first. Stay tuned. But let's get started with this video. Alright, so let's take a look at the splitter. It is a 3-piece splitter, gloss black, that I did get off of eBay, and this one was about $70, I believe, specifically for the Hyundai Veloster non-turbo. I love these little winglets at the end. Alright, so I'm not really sure how to go about this, but we did get some screws. I don't know if they're self-tapping, but they just look like regular screws. But yeah, let's start this thing. Alright, so basically the way these work are, as you can see, the middle piece has these little like rivets sticking out, which insert into there, and then on the bottom you see your holes, well, where you're supposed to drill your holes, that way you can screw it into the bottom of the car. So let's punch all these holes out and then we will continue. Okay, so I kind of messed up. I think I got a little too excited with the first one, and I went ahead and drilled out all of the holes that it had. But then I realized it's only this back piece that's underneath the car, while all of this is going to be outside showing. So with the middle piece, I only drilled out the center pieces. I mean, not the center, the end pieces, as you could see, because this is the part that's going to be sticking out. Okay, so I put it together by putting these 4 little screws onto like those pieces that were sticking out. Unfortunately, I snapped this one, so I just put a screw in right here, but I just want to see how it's going to sit. Okay, so this is basically how it's going to sit once we're done. That's going to look sick. I'm super excited for that. Obviously it's going to be bolted down, so you won't see that part. So basically we have the sides on. From here it's sticking out 1.4 inches, I believe, and then right here 2.4. Same on this side. Okay. That's gonna be cool. Now we just need the middle piece and we should be done. Alright guys, so after maybe about 2.5 hours, we finally finished it, me with the help of my two cousins. So check it out. That's basically how it's gonna be sitting, and I'm super excited for it. I wanted to tuck the edges a little bit, but that's as far as I could tuck it, with the middle being as long as it was. Oh yeah, so let's get the car on the ground and see how it looks.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Building castles in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I. We look for love, no time for tears. Wasted water's all that is, and it don't make no flowers grow. Good things might come to those who wait, but not for those who wait too late. We gotta go for all we know. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Building them castles in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I.
Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun doing it. It was also frustrating, but it did take longer than expected just because I had to keep remeasuring and remeasuring and remeasuring. But we got it done, and my two little cousins helped me out, so that was really cool. Now that is it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and share this with your friends, share this with your family. Share this with any like car person or Hyundai person, Veloster person, whatever the case may be. Stay safe guys, have fun, and enjoy the rest of your day. And yeah, goodbye beautiful people. We're putting a front splitter on the Veloster. Before we do that, let's just admire this fitment though. Damn. Ooh, so excited. Oh yeah. So this is the side where I got excited and just started drilling everything. Make sure you measure it up first. Make sure you know what you have to drill, and don't just drill all of the holes that you see. Oh my god! Jesus.